Good day, tech readers. Today we're looking at the Targus Dock 180. Docking stations are what you use with your laptop when you want to attach lots of extra peripherals. This one's particularly smart, and I'll explain to you why. For one thing, if you have an ego that's much bigger than the size of your laptop monitor, this is what you will use to plug in extra monitors. And in fact, if you're planning world domination, you can plug in multiple monitors. This one actually supports 2 monitors using HDMI or DisplayPort, which is the digital signal, using 4K, so you can add 2 additional monitors in addition to your third laptop screen, and in that way you'd end up with a whole display around you. You've probably seen these on gaming rigs and in movies and so on, stockbrokers. Around the back you'll see you can attach 2 different 4K displays, and there's also a wide range of USB ports. Now, a word on USB ports, you may have heard of Type A and Type C and USB 3 and all these different numbers. The letters mean the different shaped plugs. So Type A is what most of us call USB today. Type C is the incoming new standard for USB, which is a much smaller plug that's reversible. And these use USB standard 3, which is high-speed data, much faster than the old USB standards. This dock is so clever, it actually has 5 USB ports, all of which run at USB 3. It has 3 USB ports on the back here, another one around the side, which is powered, which means you can plug devices in there to fast charge them, and then it has a USB-C port on the other side, which is the new incoming standard. So what you have here is a dock that's future-proofed against even your next laptop. It also has a range of other nice touches. For example, inside you'll find it has a series of little power tips such as these, and it's got a range of them that fit all different kinds of laptops. And the point of that is that when you put your laptop on top of the dock over here, you want to power up the laptop as part of the dock configuration. That way you don't have to continually be plugging in your usual power supply. The power supply is built into the dock and it fits with the range of tips I showed you earlier. The range of tips also means that if you change laptops in the future, you'll still be able to plug in. And then it has a single USB connector which attaches to your laptop, and it takes your display and all other kinds of data stream from your laptop through a single USB plug at the back. Other nice touches, it's rubberized on top so you can put your laptop down, it doesn't slide and move around. You're probably using Wi-Fi in your office, but if you want a fast 1 gigabit speed connection, you can use the LAN port here as well, and that also goes into the side of your laptop on the USB port. One other great thing about the setup is that it works well for Apple Mac laptops. That's important because, as we know, many Mac laptops have got a very few ports available. Some of them only have a single USB port. This way you can plug into the dock and have access to a whole lot more features and USB ports and so on. You can even use this dock with a tablet. This has a convenient lid that shifts up. The tablet sits here and also plugs in, and in that way you have a whole lot more features you can add to your tablet. This is the Dock 180 from Targus. We don't have an exact price, but we expect it to come in somewhere around 3,500 Rand. And it's future-proofed for the laptop you're using today and the laptop you're going to use tomorrow.